So if you're into budget planning, and this is a very nice substantial budget planner book. So it has a nice little stretchy folder thing to help keep it all together. It has a nice loop for a pen, and it also has a page saver strap. So this is a nice size. So if you're into budget planning, this is a very nice, substantial, large budget planning book. So what you get here is a nice feel, high quality book, very solid. You get a little loop here for a pen holder. You have this little stretchy strap to help keep it closed. And when you open it, the text is very clear. It has probably most anything that you need to keep a monthly budget going. And see how it's all laid out with the text very clear. As you can see in the video, you have the dates all up here with a little staircase going down as you go along. This way you could go right to, it's like a mini file cabinet basically. And if you're into budget planners, or if you're not into budget planners and looking to try it, this is probably a good idea to get. Nice and large. This way you could find it and use it, and you don't have to write tiny. So what's this good for? It has the alphabetical tabs, create budget, take control, track spending, track savings, stay organized, and it says feel happier. So if you really need a budget planner or like to try one out, this is a great option. Nice quality, and if you could keep it organized and keep with it. So this is something that could really help you stay organized, which I need, and I know a lot of people wish they were organized as some people. Nice book, nice organizer, monthly budget, good stuff.